السؤال يتفضل الأستاذ محمد إسماعيل نائب رئيس جمعية براكسس كوميونيتي بروجكت لإلقاء كلمة جديد.
Thank you everybody for coming tonight. First of all, before we proceed, I would like to thank especially to Sheikh Mohammed Rashid Hashimi for his invitation, right? Of course, I like to brief talk about practice in our charity work. Director Board actually mentioned this organization Praxis was organized and was established over 25 years ago. We provide support and help to immigrants and refugees. Just imagine just organized having struggled with language barriers, culture shock, so many different factors we are provide support to these programs and to help them enable establish and better life. So, overall, what I would say Praxis is kind of considered a job. We are actually describe ourselves as a case. And before, I think all of them we have experienced going to school and people some support themselves, but mostly those vulnerable are mostly asking questions by us. And they are the ones who need help. That's what we provide to ourselves. And what I would say is generally now actually your support will enable us to our services to the communities. And I hope all of you enjoy my